Hello guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. In today's video we'll be looking at the Hamster Kombat daily Cipher Morse code for 26/27th of August 2024. So you get into your Hamster Kombat game, get the coins that have been mined while you were away, and now you move to the daily cipher. The daily cipher tab is what you have as the second tab up there. When you have your combat in a red circle, you are in the daily cipher mode, and you can see the daily cipher on the left and the 1 million coins on the right. So our first letter for today is B, dash dot dot dot, dash dot dot dot. Next is R, dot dash dot, dot dash dot. Next is O, dash dash dash, dash dash dash. Next is N, dash dot, dash dot. And we have our code cracked. So you just take your prize and now you have your 1 million coins added to your total coins. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.